What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can get your Chevy Corvette started if your key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Corvette in the video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If we try to start the vehicle as we normally would, you're going to get a message here saying no key found, try again. So what we want to do is take our key fob and we're going to place it in the cup holder. And you want to put it in there with the key ring facing up, like that. And then once it's there, you should just be able to start it as normal. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.